Have a grateful day to my kind, humble, and understanding instructor, Mamel. This is Josephine Papa, Section PA, and this subject AG206. And for this video, I am going to share you all my reflection and lesson 1, General Biochemistry, by answering the following 4 questions. What did you feel studying lesson 1? At first, when I say that lesson 1 is about biochemistry as the overview and occurrence of carbohydrates, I see that this subject might not essay as well, and I need to know the steps on how important is biochemistry and the whole lesson. Is the lesson boring and ineffective? For me, I can see that it's not boring and ineffective. It is because this lesson 1 I need to do more research, to be familiar with the process in order to gain more knowledge and to be able to identify with some difficulties that needed in this lesson to learn and more efficient. Is the lesson interesting and effective? Yes, it is very interesting and effective lesson because as a student of biochemistry, it presents the foundation for realistic enhancement on health, veterinary medicine, agriculture, and biotechnology by attempting to unravel the complicated chemical interactions that occur in a wide variety of biological forms. It is the foundations for an encompasses cutting-edge topics like molecular genetics and bioengineering. What are the topics encountered in lesson 1 that you find difficult to understand? For me, the topics that I encountered in lesson 1 that I found difficult to understand are Fisher projection and Howard projection formula because I can't easily acquire on how to solve the problem using this formula. It's hard for me also to draw the structure of this formula, but I need to try my best. What are the topics encountered in lesson 1 that you find easy to understand? The topics that I encountered and easy for me to understand are about carbohydrates, which include their functions and the importance of it. What do I need to learn about left and right-handed or chirality molecules? So, I need to learn the right and left-handed or chirality molecules because properties of molecules derive from the fact that carbon atoms can form bonds with 4 other atoms in such a way that if the 4 atoms attached to the carbon atoms are different, it is possible to draw two versions of the resulting three-dimensional molecules that are mirror image of each other. These are the right and left version of a simple chiral compound. They are exactly alike in every property except that the rotate plane polarized light to the right or left respectively. The right and left properties of biological receptors derive from the chiral molecules from which they are assembled. One particularly relevant examples of this type of receptor might be a protein whose subunits are amino acids. With the exceptions of glycine, the simplest amino acid all the amino acid building blocks of living systems are chiral. Furthermore, they are of the left-handed variety. Thank you, Mom. That's all, and God bless.